Hi, Rashmi. This is Akanksha from India Book of Records. How are you?
I'm super fine as usual, ma'am.
It's very nice to see someone who is actually traveling and also talking about their record, which is
Yes.
based on traveling only. It's really nice. So let me introduce Rashmi first. That her name is Rashmi Prarab, and she is
Rashmi
from
Parab.
Maharashtra. Yeah,
Yes,
and she has
Mumbai,
made a
Maharashtra.
record for maximum Jyotirlings of Maharashtra visited by a female motorcyclist in 12 hours. So, Rashmi, please introduce yourself first.
Uh, by my passion, I'm a biker, and by profession, I'm working in a private firm. My zodiac itself defines that I'm stubborn and dedicated. So I entered in biking because that was my dream. And
So,
from just
I just heard it, and there's this one question that pops up in my mind that how do you manage both things, like corporate and your passion?
see, we need to manage. We have to. Otherwise, we can't do anything. Everyone has their own specialty, and our specialty influences others. So I thought of, and just after completing my all the responsibilities, my means after the age of means एक specific age के बाद मैंने शुरू किया just 1.5 year. I'm not a pro biker, but it's my hobby. So I'm becoming now. I became the pro biker by doing the records and all. So
Okay.
I actually adjust that both the things. It is quite difficult to manage, but somehow it happens. हो जाता है.
Okay. So, are you riding right now the bike?
I'm yeah riding, yeah.
That's a good thing. But
Can I
see,
stop? Can
I
I
just
stop?
want to add one thing. Yeah, you can show, sure. But I just
Hmm.
wanted to add one thing that, it's not safe to, do video
No, I
calling.
have the Bluetooth. No, that's the bikers
Yeah, just please
jewelry.
be focused on the road instead because it won't be safe anyway. So that's why.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll stop my
if you're
bike somewhere.
comfortable with that, that's okay. Otherwise, you can just
No, I'm
stand.
comfortable. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay, all right, all right. Sure, let's continue. So the
Yes,
record that Lakshmi Parab has made is visiting the maximum numbers of Jyotirlings of Maharashtra in 12 hours, and she has visited 3 Jyotirlings. Right, Lakshmi? So how?
yes.
What are those Jyotirlings you have visited?
First, I visited Bhima Shankar.
Okay.
Uh, Shankar, it's nearby to Pune only. Then from there, I thought of going to Nasik, Trambakeshwar. But then I think कि अभी नासिक जाऊंगी तो मुंबई विल बी नियर बाय, तो मुंबई जाने का मन करेगा, तो उल्टा औरंगाबाद कृष्णेश्वर नहीं आ सकती फिर. So I went from there. I went to Aurangabad Krishneshwar, which was 7 hours कुछ distance था. 7 hours timing was showing on the map. And then
Okay.
at last I visited Nasik, Trambakeshwar.
Okay. And you have covered a distance of 470 kilometers in 11 hours. So
Eleven hours
it's a
15 minutes.
really great milestone. So how did you manage? Did you have a layout for that you planned everything for your journey?
No. That was one day journey. Nothing has been planned. Only the planning was the route. Route means where I
So
need to
how you
go.
need to do it in like 12 hours so you can set a record. That was the challenge,
Because
right?
I never sleep. Actually, I have somewhat symptoms of insomnia. So
Oh,
that is my plus point. मुझे नींद नहीं आता है.
okay.
And the second thing is I never stop for lunch and all heavy. Only breakfast. Breakfast का time मिला के वो 11 hours हो गया. नहीं तो it was only moving time was 8 hours 52 minutes.
Okay. Okay. And so I actually wanted to ask, like, what inspired you to, go on this journey to cover Jyotirlingas?
See, first I did Ashtavinayak.
Okay.
One of my friends suggest me you could, and my strength is I'm proud to be a mother of 2 handsome sons. So my strength is they both, and
Yeah, I
they
just wanted to
and
mention one thing, and I just remember it now, that Happy Women's Day. And you are the perfect example, the perfect epitome of like how women manages it all. You're managing your job, your kids, and also your passion, which is very important because your priority is your passion. So it's very nice to see someone, I already have goosebumps to meet someone like that. It's a great thing. Yeah. So
thank you so much.
what inspired you to go on this journey?
First of all, Happy Women's Day to you too.
Thank you so much.
It's all about ageless beauty, selfless love, purity and dignity also.
Exactly.
So yeah. So my elder son encouraged me that you should do something different. मुझे
Okay.
एक आई ऑलवेज वांट टू बी अ सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, वो मेरे दिमाग में बचपन से ऐसे है कि जो सब लोग नहीं करते वो मैं करूं,
Okay.
तो थोड़ा डिफरेंट हो जाता है. इफ 10 वुमेन्स आर डूइंग दैट एंड 2 वुमेन्स आर डूइंग दिस, तो मैं 2 में घुस जाऊंगी.
Okay. So you want to be
हाँ, that is,
different from
yeah.
the crowd. Okay.
Yeah, and about my nature, I would like to share that I am strong and tough enough and aren't afraid of anything which life throws my way. जो है face कर लेने का. So that
Exactly.
is, हाँ. And for riding, we need strength, somewhat skills we need, because ऐसा नहीं कि road है भगाते जाओ, but that is not called riding.
Exactly.
Riding is somewhat, it is very risky also. For some
जी.
situations, we need to handle. Not only ऐसे ही भगाते जाओ, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Then mindset, you have to be calm. कभी कुछ हो जाता है तो don't be panic. सर पे बर्फ और मुंह में शक्कर लेके चलना पड़ता है.
जी.
For unknown, एक किस्सा हुआ भी था मेरे साथ में और ड्यूरिंग अष्टविनायक, तो somewhat फीमेल राइडर्स के लिए थोड़ा रिस्की हो जाता है.
जी जी जी.
हाँ, तो दैट इज, मतलब एक मैंने बोला जैसे कि एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन स्पेशलिटी एंड दैट ओनली इन्फ्लुएंसेस अदर्स. तो मेरे से बहुत सी वुमेन इंस्पायर्ड है, मैं भी किसी से इंस्पायर्ड हूँ और होने लगी, तभी मैंने ये शुरू किया. And
Exactly.
of course, my
That's
son
how it
supported
works
me.
now. We get inspired and then also inspires others. This
Yes.
is the chain we are following while
Yeah.
empowering women these days.
Yes.
So, and as being a
Your question
female
was,
motorcyclist, yes, please
your
continue.
question was how you. So I did अष्टविनायक first कि गणपति बप्पा मोरिया से ही शुरुआत करते हैं, 8
जी जी.
temples. So that I made a record. There, that also 12 hours, 29 minutes moving time and 17 hours. I covered in 17 hours the 8 temples of अष्टविनायक.
Okay.
So then I thought कि चलो ठीक है, अष्टविनायक कर लिया, बेटे का करा, भी उनके पापा को देखते हैं. तो मेरे माइंड में आया शंकर भगवान महादेव का करते हैं. So I am planning to do big in next 2 months, but this
Okay.
was the trial of Jyotirling.
Okay.
मैंने बोला बाहर जाने से बेटर पहले महाराष्ट्र एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
Sure. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. पहले अपना ही स्टेट कवर करना चाहिए. And
Of
then
course,
the
yes.
other parts. So being a
Yes.
female motorcyclist, did you face any challenge, any hurdles?
Yeah, I told you
Like,
now, during Ashtavinayak, I was leaving my 5th temple, and from continue 1.5 hour, one tempo was following me, छोटा tempo.
oh, okay.
And 2 persons थे उसमें, they were पूरा क्या बोलते हैं, पिए हुए थे,
जी
पूरा
जी.
ड्रिंक किया था, and they were following me, and अभी शाम होने को आया था, so I was noticing them. So and they were just overtaking me और मुझे बोलते रुको रुको, why should I stop?
Exactly.
But the thing happened after an hour, I found one place. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा मैदान था, वहाँ पे गांव वाले 4-5 रुके थे, वो बैठते ना टाइम पास के लिए, फिर पान का गद्दी था एंड चाय का टपरी, तो मैं उधर रुक गई, लाइट था, वो टेम्पो भी वहाँ पे रुका. मैंने कहा क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको, क्यों फॉलो क्यों कर रहे हो? तो बोलते आप कहाँ जा रहे हो? मैंने तुमसे मतलब. तो ही वॉज फोर्सिंग मी, बोली तू पिया है और मुझे, मैं कुछ भी गलत नहीं बोल सकती बिकॉज आई वॉज गोइंग टू विजिटिंग द टेम्पल.
Exactly.
तो आई हैंडल दैट कामली कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है तेरे. आप फिर
But
मुझे
you
दीदी
see,
बोला तो थोड़ा
you
सा
see
अच्छा
that
लगा.
everywhere we go, like where females are going, there are some challenges that only occurs to them. There are some things that you need to handle on your own. So
ही कॉल्ड मी दीदी, दीदी बताओ ना कहाँ जा रहे हो. बोले थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगा दीदी बोला तो. तो फिर
okay.
आई टोल्ड I just completed my 6th temple. I am going to 7th. So you are doing
Maybe
Ashtavinayak, na?
they were curious that they wanted to know about you,
Yes,
but
yes.
it's not the right way, right?
And
You
yeah,
cannot
driver
follow
was asking,
anyone.
पक्का आप अष्टविनायक जा रहे हो ना? Like this only. So I told yes, I am visiting अष्टविनायक. तू देख रहा है ना, अभी 1.5 घंटे से तो तू देख रहा है. तो दूसरे को बोलता है ला 1000 रुपया ला. मतलब दे आर बेट लगाया था दोनों ने.
Okay,
1000 रुपया
okay.
ला. ये दीदी कहाँ जा रही हूँ बेट. मतलब एक टाइम के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा मतलब कंफ्यूज हो गई थी कि व्हाई दे आर फॉलोइंग मी.
Okay, okay. And did it has a spiritual or some kind of significance to you that you decided to go on this journey only?
ऑफ कोर्स, मतलब मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी शुरुआत पहले भगवान से करनी चाहिए.
जी.
Actually, why I did, I was with Darshan, I did all the temples, and I was not sure about I can do.
Okay.
That hunting spirit I have, but I was
Okay.
not sure that India books में हो जाएगा. But I did spiritually कि होता है तो ठीक है, नहीं भी हो गया तो भी दर्शन लेके आ जाएंगे. वैसे भी अष्टविनायक कहाँ मिलता है करने.
जी,
तो
जी, जी.
मैंने तय किया था कि करेंगे विद दर्शन. आई डिड एंड इट वाज सक्सेसफुल. और अच्छा लगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि भागो, कहीं से भी भागो. एंड ईच एंड एवरी टेम्पल आई टुक ओनली 10 to 15 मिनट्स. मतलब मैंने
Okay.
दिन भी वैसे ही चूज किया था. देयर वाज नॉट संकष्टी, देयर वाज नॉट सैटरडे संडे, देयर वाज नॉट, मतलब सब देख के कि वहां पे भीड़ ना होए.
जी, जी. ऑल राइट. ओके. और मैं ये पूछ रही थी आपसे कि लाइक बीइंग अ वुमेन, बीइंग अ वुमेन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक ऑन सच अ राइड एंड सच अ जर्नी. तो व्हाट वुड बी योर वन मैसेज टू द ऑडियंस, टू द पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू यू? व्हाट वुड बी योर वन मैसेज?
फॉर व्हाट? फॉर फीमेल्स ओनली?
या फॉर फीमेल्स.
माय only message for all the lovely ladies is, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Whatever you have to do. और गाइडेंस जरूरी है किसी से भी. दैट हंटिंग स्पिरिट यू शुड हैव, और वो कैन डू एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए बस.
And it
तो यू
don't let other people dull your shine, dull your
यस,
passion, anything that you have.
जस्ट शाइन वेर एवर यू गो.
Yeah, great, great. Thank you so much, Rashmi. We had a great time talking to you. And today it's a Women's Day, and seeing such a great lady, it's a pleasure. Thank you so much. Thank you for your
थैंक यू
time
सो
with
मच.
India Book of Records.
थैंक यू.
And
थैंक यू.
yes, best of luck with your future endeavors. May you make more records and become more famous. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.